Welcome to the best picks. The best service valve kit is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked components for your tankless water heater, ensuring smooth operation and preventing costly repairs. This unassuming kit plays a crucial role in maintaining your hot water supply, and today, we will delve into what makes a great service valve kit, helping you choose the perfect one to keep your tankless water heater running smoothly and efficiently, saving you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Number 5. Twinkle Star Tankless Water Heater Kit. This comprehensive kit ensures easy maintenance and superior performance for your tankless water heater. It's designed for both convenience and safety. It features hot and cold valves with color-coded handles for quick and simple identification. The integrated drain valve allows for effortless maintenance. Made from durable, lead-free brass, it prevents leaks and drips. The one-piece construction ensures lasting reliability. This kit is rigorously tested to guarantee a leak-free seal. It allows for safe and regular maintenance of your water heater. It meets all safety standards for lead levels in drinking water. The components are certified lead-free for your peace of mind. This versatile kit is compatible with most 3-4-inch tankless water heaters from major brands. It's perfect for residential and commercial use. What we like. This kit is made from durable, lead-free brass, ensuring longevity and safety. The color-coded handles make it super easy to identify hot and cold valves. And with its full port ball valve, you'll enjoy superior water flow. If you prioritize safety, ease of use, and optimal water flow, this is the perfect choice for your tankless water heater. What people say. The isolation valve kit is absolutely necessary in order to properly flush the unit of scale and buildup on an annual basis. This install kit is a must-have when installing a tankless water heater. Good quality parts. The valve kit is essential to any on-demand hot water system. Number 4. Hourleey IPS Isolator Tankless Kit. This kit is designed for tankless water heaters, providing a complete and easy installation experience. It includes everything you need for a secure and efficient setup. It features a 3-4-inch IPS isolator valve, allowing for easy shut-off and maintenance of your water heater. This ensures convenient access when needed. It's constructed from clean brass for superior durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it for years to come. The built-in pressure relief valve adds an extra layer of safety to your system, protecting against potentially dangerous pressure buildup. It's a key safety feature. This kit is designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. It provides a complete solution for your tankless water heater needs, offering convenience and peace of mind. Everything you need is right here in one kit. What we like. It's built with heavy-duty brass for lasting durability and reliability. The single-piece forged body prevents leaks, ensuring peace of mind. Plus, the integrated drain valve with safety cap makes maintenance a breeze. If you need a robust and reliable solution with easy maintenance, this kit is for you. What people say. Durable, easy installation, fitment is great. Works great for flushing your tankless water heater. The Hourleey 3-4-inch IPS Isolator Tankless Water Heater Service Valve Kit has been a game-changer for my home. This remarkable product not only ensures a seamless water heater installation but also provides peace of mind with its built-in pressure relief valve. From the moment I installed it, I could feel the quality of the clean brass construction. It's clear that Hourleey prioritizes durability and reliability. The kit's 3-4-inch IPS size is perfect for my needs, and the isolator function makes servicing my tankless water heater a breeze. Installed directly to the tankless HWH then to home plumbing using 18-inch braided SS flex lines to PX, top collet rotates allowing easy valve alignment and a simple solid seal. Valves bodies are cast forged from single piece of brass, so no points to leak fail. Tested the clean out valves, and used them to bleed out the air in the lines during the heater install. Was impressed with quality. This was my 9th tankless hot water heater install and this is the best valve set I've used. Found. Number 3. 3-4-inch IPS Isolator Tankless Water Heater Valve Kit. This pressure release valve gives you precise control over your water flow. It's perfect for both home and commercial tankless water heaters, handling even the toughest plumbing jobs. It's made from heavy-duty brass for lasting durability. The one-piece forged body prevents leaks, ensuring a long lifespan. This valve set has hot and cold valves with color-coded handles for simple identification and use. It's designed for user-friendliness. The full-port ball valve ensures a smooth, efficient flow of water. Plus, the integrated drain valve with safety caps makes maintenance a breeze. It's rigorously tested to be 100% leak-free. You can trust it for reliable performance every time. This kit includes 3 4-500 WOG valves with 1 4-turn handles and FNPT x FNPT thread connections. It meets NSF ANSI 61 standards. What we like. This kit boasts a full-port ball valve for smooth and efficient water flow. The color-coded handles allow for quick and easy identification of hot and cold water lines. Made from durable brass, it's built to last. If you value smooth water flow, easy identification, and long-lasting performance, this is the one for you. What people say. They appear to be of very good quality, installed fine and were much less expensive than the set that I had purchased when I installed the tank. Very easy to install, zero problems. I like the fact that these are sweat not threaded, saves one more step on installation. I installed this myself, and it works, no leaks, no issues. Looks to be a high-quality part. The first time turning the valves is tough, but after the first time, they move easily. Number 2. EFIELD Tankless Water Heater Kit. This kit is designed for easy installation and maintenance of your tankless water heater. It's compatible with most residential and commercial tankless water heaters. It features a 3/4-inch NPT thread, ensuring a secure and compatible connection with your existing plumbing system. This makes installation quick and straightforward. The kit includes 1 4-turn hot and cold full-port valves for convenient on-off control. Experience effortless control over your water flow. With its integrated drain valve and brass safety cap, maintenance is a breeze. Cleaning and servicing your system is now simpler than ever. It boasts high-flow drains and a pressure relief valve for enhanced safety and performance. This ensures your system operates efficiently and safely. Made from durable, lead-free brass, it's built to last. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's a high-quality, safe product. What we like. It features high-flow drains for quick and efficient water removal. Made from lead-free brass, it's both durable and safe. The included pressure relief valve adds an extra layer of safety for your system. If you need a kit with high flow capacity, safety features, and a focus on lead-free materials, this is an excellent option. What people say. Replaced failed valve set under tankless water heater with these new forged valves. The set includes everything you need to install, such as Teflon tape and extra gaskets. Each valve is designed to combine several functions in one piece, which reduces leak points. Everything sealed right up and have been working now for 1 week, no problems. These valves are good quality solid brass with chrome-plated stainless steel valve balls, and the handles are larger than some others, making it easier to shut them on and off. The instructions even come with info on how to flush a tankless water heater, which is a nice touch. Number 1. 3/4 IPS Isolator Tankless Water Heater Kit. It fits electric and gas tankless water heaters with 3/4 MNPT connectors. This includes popular brands like Rinnai, Rheem, and Navion, among others. These valves make maintaining your water heater easy. You can clean or flush it without turning off the whole system. The red and blue handles clearly mark hot and cold. The pressure relief valve is located on the hot water line. It protects your water heater from pressure buildup and can handle up to 150 psi. Installation is simple thanks to the threaded connections, no soldering needed. The brass cap makes connecting a hose quick and easy. It's made from high-quality, CSA-certified lead-free brass. This makes it heat and corrosion resistant for long-lasting performance and safety. What we like. This kit offers incredibly easy installation thanks to its threaded connection. It's compatible with a wide range of tankless water heater brands. The pressure relief valve provides crucial protection against high pressure. If you value ease of installation, broad compatibility, and the added safety of a pressure relief valve, this kit is a great choice. What people say. Packaging was very well done. Looks well made and it was installed with no issues. Well made and heavy brass. Have a fifth wheel with a tankless hot water heater. Get some modification and use these shut-off valves. Works great. Now I can flush my tankless hot water heater. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.